Everybody wants to increase the number of qualified visitors to their website. One of the most effective strategies is to focus on long-tail keywords, which are specific phrases that your audience is currently searching for. We'll take a closer look at the following in this video. What are long-tail keywords? Why long-tail keywords are important? 4 ways to find long-tail keywords. What makes a great long-tail keyword? With that said, let us begin. What are long-tail keywords? Long-tail keywords are more specific and typically longer search terms than a regular search query. They typically convert better since the search intent is more straightforward. For example, a person searching for best prom dress for teens is more likely to purchase than a user searching for dress. The following are the primary properties of long-tail keywords. They contain additional words. They often have a lower amount of searches, but also a lower keyword difficulty. They often have a greater rate of engagement and conversion. They account for the majority of organic traffic, about 70%. Why long-tail keywords are important? Long-tail keywords are more precise than short-tail keywords. This typically indicates that they are paying greater attention to the search results and are considering what to do with them. For instance, someone searching for the short-tail keyword blogging has a far more general search intent than someone searching for how to start a blog for free. The long-tail variant has increased thrust. They want to take action, whether it's starting a blog or purchasing a domain. The short-tail term is almost certainly someone looking for extremely high-level blogging guidance. Therefore, why is this critical for your business? The solution is straightforward. By focusing on these long-tail words on your website, you may attract visitors who are ready to take action, whether that action is purchasing a product, subscribe to an email list, visiting your local store. This is likely to increase the ROI of your content marketing efforts, much more so if you can rank well for popular and relevant long-tail keywords. 4 ways to find long-tail keywords. Now that we're all on the same page about what a long-tail keyword is, it's time to put in the effort to identify those that you can target on your website. The following is a straightforward 4-step process for conducting long-tail keyword research. 1. Find your seed keyword. Let's begin with a straightforward question. What is the best way to describe your website? Your response should be specific to your product, service offering, for example, VPN or CRM. This is your starting point. This seed term serves as the foundation for all of your long-tail keywords. For instance, you might target the following long-tail versions of the phrase VPN. Best VPN for Android. Best free VPN for Android. Free VPN for Windows. 2. Enter the seed term into a long-tail keyword research tool. How do you transition from simple one-word statements to a slew of long-tail variants? Enter your seed term into a long-tail keyword research tool. KWfinder is one of my favorite SEO tools for fast finding a large number of profitable long-tail keywords, and it could be a good fit for your long-tail keyword research campaign. Go to KWfinder by clicking the link in the description and get 10 days free trial and 40% off if you decide to upgrade to premium. Type in your seed keyword and select the country you want to target or get data for, and then click the Find Keywords button. You'll get a list of related keywords alongside critical keyword data, such as keyword difficulty, search volume, and a list of competitors who are currently ranking in the top 10 spots in a Google search result for that phrase. Scroll through the list and tick any keywords that are relevant to your seed term, likely to be searched by your target audience. Apart from the primary suggestions, the autocomplete or questions tabs will display other relevant long-tail keywords that contain your seed term. Google limits autocomplete to 10 ideas, so you'll need to experiment to achieve a sufficient number of suggestions. KWfinder, on the other hand, displays them all in one list. As demonstrated, the seed term may be utilized to discover new long-tail keyword opportunities by adding a prefix, suffix. In this case, I use the seed keyword best VPN for Alternatively, you can use free keyword research tools to discover long-tail keywords. However, they just act as keyword recommendation tools. No metrics such as search traffic or term complexity are provided. 3. Take advantage of Google's related queries feature. Let's double-check that we haven't missed anything by going straight to the source, Google. When you begin typing a question into Google, a suggestion window appears. Prefix, suffix your basic phrase, for example, what is, how to, best. Then consider those suggestions. Make a note of the long-tail phrases that your clients may use to find you. Additionally, you can find long-tail keywords for that seed term in the People Also Ask box. On Google's results page, another source of similar inquiries is the bottom panel with related searches. Both of these ways demonstrate what additional questions, search phrases are frequently used before to or following the SERP you are currently seeing. Consider whether you can incorporate these into your target list. 4. Analyze your site's analytics. You do not need to start targeting long-tail keywords from scratch with a new piece of content. Utilize the performance report inside Google's Search Console to determine the terms for which you are already ranking and the terms for which people are trying to locate your website. Go to Google Search Console and then Performance. Scroll down and see the list of keywords that you currently ranking. To be sure, you already rank for certain long-tail keywords. However, import them back into your long-tail keyword research tool to determine which keywords are worthwhile to pursue. What makes a great long-tail keyword? As you'll see during the keyword research process, there are thousands of long-tail keywords to choose from. How do you know which ones to focus on? Those that are most valuable. In general, a good long-tail keyword takes the following 3 factors into account: search volume, keyword difficulty, and relevance. 1. Search volume. The search volume of a keyword indicates how frequently the phrase is searched each month. It is displayed in the majority of long-tail keyword research tools including KWfinder. What's the tricky part? A great search volume varies by industry. For instance, 1,400 individuals search for SEO tips, but 500,000 people search for VPN. Generally, for keywords with a search volume of lesser than 50, avoid or group together. 50 to 250, group similar terms together. 250 plus, use as a standalone focus keyword. 2. Keyword difficulty. Keyword difficulty is a search engine optimization metric that indicates how difficult it will be to rank for a particular keyword. Each phrase is assigned a score between 0 and 100, with the low end indicating that it is relatively easy to rank for. Keywords at the top of the scale indicate that you'll need to invest more time and effort in SEO optimization to rank on page 1. Therefore, what keyword difficulty level should you target? As with any SEO response, the truth is that it depends. Your strategy will vary according to the size and authority of your website. Smaller sites with less authority should begin with easy-to-find keywords. It's low-hanging fruit, there aren't many other websites vying for the same keyword, so ranking for it should be quite straightforward. Large sites with a strong SEO presence can begin addressing words with a medium, high difficulty level. They've already earned Google's trust and can outrank some of the competition, making it more probable that they'll rank well for the phrase. 3. Relevance. If you do not offer a product or service that a person searching for a long-tail keyword would be interested in, avoid it. Sounds self-evident, doesn't it? However, it can be more difficult than it sounds. For instance, if you're a vehicle mechanic, why isn't my car lock working is a more relevant long-tail keyword than how to become a car mechanic, even though the latter is an exact match term. The first is a keyword that a prospective consumer might type into a search engine. The latter is very certainly being searched by a student who does not need the mechanic's services, therefore it makes no sense to target it on your website. This can be determined by examining what Google already believes a keyword implies, as well as the corporations that own each position. Search for your long-tail keyword and examine the top results. Conclusion. Thousands of long-tail keywords are being searched for by your audience. Utilize the steps in this video to find them, and then begin targeting them on your website to communicate to Google and your customers that your information is valuable to anyone searching for them. Soon, you'll notice a consistent increase in organic traffic. Thanks for watching.